How to enable dark mode on Binance. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to enable dark mode on your Binance app. So if you have spent a lot of time on Binance and your eyes start to feel strained, switching to dark mode can be helpful. So without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the Binance app on your phone and make sure that you are logged into your account. And once you are inside the app, simply tap on the profile icon shown at the top left corner of the screen. And once you are in your profile section, simply tap on the gear icon shown in the top left corner of the screen. Now here on the settings section, simply tap on the option label theme. And here on the new page, simply select dark mode and wait a few seconds for Binance to update. And that's it. Now your Binance app is in the dark mode. And with this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.